Hello students, continue to the string topics. So string handling functions, there are 7 string handling functions in C language: strcat, strcpy, strcmp, strlwr, strupr, strreverse, strlen. Full form is string cat, means string concatenation. String concatenation. Concatenation means combining. It is used to combine two strings. So this function used to combine two strings. Second one, string copy, strcpy, string copy. Full form is string copy. It is used to copy two strings. Copy one string into another string. strcmp, full form is string compare. String compare. It is used to compare two strings alphabetically. It compares two strings alphabetically, right? Next, strlwr, full form is string lower. String lower. It is used to convert lower to uppercase string. Similarly, strupr, full form is string upper. It is used to convert upper string to lower case. Next, str reverse. Str reverse means string reverse. It converts a string into reverse. Suppose one string is hello, it converts hello to in reverse order. strlen, string length. It is used to find out the length of a string, means number of characters. It is used to find out the number of characters or length of a string. Example, suppose one string s1 vvdc, another string is s2 college. Suppose you want to combine these two strings, so use this function strcat. Cat means concatenation. Strcat s1 comma s2. Output will be looks like this: vvdc college. Similarly, strcpy s1 s2. So what happens? s2 will be copied in s1. So actually s1 is vvdc, s2 is college. After using this function, what happens? s1 is now college, means s2 string copied in s1, right? This is the copy function. Next, strcmp s1 s2. There are two strings s1 s2. This function used to compare two strings, which string is greater than, which string is less than. It compare based on the alphabetical. If you observe s1 s2, s1 string having vvdc, s2 string has college. So in this, which is the greater? V is the greater than C. So this returns 1. If s1 greater than s2, it returns 1. Output will be 1. Suppose s1 is less than s2, it returns minus 1. If both are equal, then it returns 0, right? So if the output comes 1, that means s1 is greater than s2. If output comes minus 1, s2 is less than s2. If output comes 0, means both strings are equal, right? So next, strlwr means lower. Suppose s1. See, this function used to convert this string into lower case. Actually s1 is vvdc, no? So it is small. Actually it is in small. Suppose s1 is capital vvdc. So output will be small vvdc. It converts uppercase to lower case. Similarly, strupr s1. Suppose s1 is small vvdc. So it converts, the output is vvdc, capital letter. So it converts lower case to uppercase. This convert uppercase to lower case. Similarly, strrev, reverse. So str reverse. This function reverses the string. Suppose s1 is vvdc. So after this function, the output will be reverse C D V V. It reverts the string. Next, strlen s1. So this function used to find out the length of a string. Suppose s1 is vvdc. So what is the length of this string? How many characters? 1 2 3 4. So output will be 1 4. Right? So these are the string handling function. This is a very important question. The question comes like this: what is a string and what are the string handling functions? I'll give full programs in your notes, so refer your notes. Right? Similarly, I will create the videos for remaining topics in this way, so that you can watch it. Right? Thank you.